I am using white whole lentil and yellow lentil. Also using brown rice. Portions are 1/2 cup white lentil, 1 cup brown rice uncooked, 1/3 to 1/2 yellow lentil. Rinse them well before soaking. Soak them for 12 to 15 hours overnight. After soaking overnight, they are soft enough to be blended. Add a tablespoon Himalayan salt, 1/2 spoons baking powder, 1/3 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup cooked brown rice. Blend them well until they are very soft. Pour the batter in an airtight container and leave them to ferment overnight. After 6 hours, after 16 hours, now the batter is fully fermented and ready to make thosai. Hot non-stick pan or cast iron pan. I'm putting some sesame oil just to make sure it doesn't stick. Sesame oil for nutty taste. It's healthy to take sesame oil. You can also use ghee.
This oil very good. No, can take already.
Does it look good? You can also make it without oil, one side or double-sided. You can eat it with masala powder, dal curry, hummus, chicken, or just by itself. I can't think of anything else healthier. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do try it at home. Eat healthy and live healthy.